Hello everyone. In our last class, we talked about different varieties of sequence sums. We talked about different tricks that we had. So if the 10th term is 12, 12th term is 10, then the 22nd term will be 0. The 40th term will be 10 plus 12 minus 40. Then another we had 10 into 8, 10 equals to 12 into 8, 12. Then also 822 will be 0. Then if the 10th term is 1 by 12 and the 12th term is 1 by 10, then A120 will be 1. So we talked about different varieties of tricks in this particular case. Yes? Okay. I asked you to do exercise 6.2. Exercise sum. Okay. Question number 1. Find the 10th term. Very basic question. Here, A is minus 3. The common difference would be 3 by 4. We want the 10th term, so it will be A plus 90. Answer? Answer 15 by 4. Hana.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 2. Common first term A root 3. Common difference would be root 12 minus root 3. Root 12 is 4 into 3. That is 2 root 3. So common difference will be root 3. What we want to find is again the 10th term. A plus 90. A plus 9D. Answer 10 root 3. Done.
Yes.
Question number 2. Find the last term from the end. Whenever they ask us to find the last, any number of term from the end, what we do is we reverse the sequence. Let us consider 85 comes as the first term, minus 5 comes at the last term. Before that, we have minus 2, we have 1, and so on. So here, first term A, 85. Common difference minus 5 minus of minus 2, that is minus 3. What we wanted was the 7th term, A plus 6D. Answer 67. Agree? Online agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 3. Which is the first negative term? We did this question in our last class also. The first negative term, in order to find that, we need to first find the general term or the nth term. So A plus n minus 1D. So A is 19. A is 19 plus n minus 1. What is D here? D is 91 by 5 minus 19. How much? Minus 4 by 5. LCM 95 minus 4n plus 4. Done? (99 minus 4n by 5). Now we assume this to be smaller than 0. Yes? So 99 minus 4n by 5 smaller than 0. Smaller than 4n. So if I divide it by 5, 4, 24.75. So n is always a natural number and it is more than 24.75. That means the first value of n greater than this will be 25. So 25th term is the first negative term. 25th term is the first negative term. Clear? Clear?
Yes,
Question
ma'am.
number 4. Question number 4. It's a different sum. We did not do this variety. What it says is, you need to tell me how many terms are identical. Let's try. For example, let's talk about table of 4 and table of 3. See, there are two varieties of sum. First, find n for which the nth term of the two sequences are equal. For example, I give you this sequence and I give you this sequence. I say what is the value of n for which the nth term of the two sequences are equal. That means either the 10th is same as 10th or the 20th is same as 20th, something like that, right? So we find the an of this, we find the an of this and equate. We get the value of n. It has to be a natural number. This is something else. I'm saying that the location as well as the term, both has to be same, right? So in my example, it won't happen. Suppose I give you uh, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and so on. And I tell you, for example, 2, 4, 6, not 2, 4, 6, 3, 6, 9, and so on. So your location as well as your term, both has to be same, right? But what question number 4 says is, I have a sequence here, 1, 5, question number 4, 1, 5, 9 up to 197. Right? And I have another sequence 1, 4, 7 up to 196. Some of the terms of the first sequence is same as the term in the second sequence. But it's not necessary that their location is same. Which I mean is, maybe that the fourth term of the first sequence is same as the seventh term of the second sequence. Maybe the seventh term of the first sequence is same as the 10th term of the second sequence. So location may be something else, but the numbers are repeated. Like we have in table of 3. We have table of 4. Suppose this goes till 30, this goes till 40. How many terms are same in here? We have 12 same. Here it comes in the fourth location, it comes in the third location. Again, which number will be repeated? 24 will be repeated. And we have another 30. No, we don't have 36. So we have only these two terms same. So if here I would have asked you how many terms are identical in these two sequences? 2. I'm not saying that the location has to be same, that the 5th is same as the 5th or the 10th is same as the 10th. I'm not saying that. What I'm saying is there will be some term which will be same as the another term of here. The locations can vary. Here the nth term may be same as the mth term. The location can vary. The 10th term may be same as the 14th term. Here the third term was same as the fourth term. So the location can vary, right? But the term, the value, the magnitude is going to be same. Agree? That is what the question is asking us. Yes? So what we will do now? In question number 4, let's do it together. First sequence. In the first sequence, can you tell me how many terms are here? Find number of terms. Find out number of terms. Find out number of terms. A1. Common difference 5 minus 1, 4. An 197. A plus n minus 1 into d. 196. So n minus 1, 49. N will be 50. There are 50 terms same. Yes or no? In the
Yes, ma'am.
second sequence, in the second sequence, 1, 4, 7 up to 196. First term 1, common difference 4 minus 1, 3. Nth term an 196. Okay? Let's take this m. Okay, the number of terms I'm changing to be m. A plus m minus 1 into d is 196. What is the number of terms here? So the first sequence has 50 terms. The maximum can it go is A50. And in the second sequence, the total number of terms is 66. It can maximum go to A66. Agree? Clear any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No.
Now,
No, ma'am.
find the general term of both the sequences. For the first one, find an. A plus n minus 1 into d, that is 4n minus 3. Here, find the general term an. A plus m minus 1 into 3, 3m minus 2. So we got the general term. I'm changing the number of terms because I don't want the location to be same. 10th, I don't want. Maybe 10th and 12th are same. That's why I'm writing one of the location as n and then another location as m. Clear? Now what I want is, for some value of n and m, I want the two sequences to have the same term. an should be equal to am. 10th or 12th, 15th or 20th, anything can happen. So let an be equal to am. And remember, n is smaller than equal to 50. Maximum is 50 terms in that sequence. And in the second one, it is, this is rough, huh? This is for you. Now, let us try to solve it. an 4n minus 3, am 3m minus 2. Now, what I want is to take common. What I mean is, in the left hand side, n has a coefficient 4. I should be able to take 4 common. In the right hand side, the coefficient is 3. I should be able to take 3 common. Or I should not have a constant term at all. But I have constants on both the sides, right? If I simplify, I'm getting 1 or minus 1, which won't help, right? So what I'm saying is, on both the sides, I'm subtracting 1. So that the coefficient and the constant becomes same. This becomes 4n minus 4. This is 3m minus 3. If I would have had 4n minus 4 equal to 3m, I would have been happy. I would have taken 4 here common and 3 would have been alone. Any which way, right? Here it wasn't possible, so I have taken common. Here I am taking 4 common. Here I am taking 3 common. Till here, any doubt? Cross
No, ma'am.
multiply. N minus 1 by 3, m minus 1 by 4. Right? See, I want to find n and m which makes them equal. And n cannot go beyond 50. M cannot go beyond 66. What I'm trying to do is, I'm trying to express both of them as a say multiple of some other letter. Like we have price, demand, and you have a demand, sorry, demand, supply, and price. If the price increases, the demand will decrease. So demand is directly related to price. If the price increases, I would like to supply it more so that my profit increases. Supply is again a parameter depending on price. So that's why demand and supply will be related, because they are both related with the same variable price. So X is related to Y, Z is related to Y. Even though X and Z are not related to each other, they'll still have a connection because of Y. So that is what I want to do. I don't have a direct connection between n and m. What I want to do is, I want to take help of another variable, say k, l, anything. And I'll express say n equal to 2k, m equal to 3k, something like that. So I'll put the value of k and I'll get the answer of both n and m. So I want to introduce a third variable. And in order to do so, I wanted to have a ratio. To have a ratio, I wanted the coefficients of both the letters n and m to be 1. And that's why it was very crucial that I had 4n. I should be able to isolate 4. I should be able to take 4 common. In the right hand side, I had thrice m. I should be able to isolate 3. I should be able to take 3 common. So I arranged my constants in such a way. Now what I'll do is, I'll assume this. First understand, I'll give you time to copy. Let this be k. Any letter. So n minus 1 by 3 is k. N will be 3k plus 1. M minus 1 by 4 is k. M will be 4k plus 1. Yes or no? Now we know for a fact that n has to be smaller than and equal to 50. Yes, that is 3k plus 1 less than equal to 50. 3k less than equal to 49. K less than equal to 49 by 3. K is smaller than equal to 16 1 by 3. Yes or no? So K should be smaller than or equal to 16 point something. So it can go only till 16 according to this. The second one, M, is smaller than equal to 60. 4k plus 1, sorry, 66. Lesser than equal to 66. 4k lesser than equal to 65. K smaller than equal to 65 by 4. K smaller than equal to, I think, 16 1 by 4. Yes. So both of them are saying that K should be smaller than or equal to 16 point something. Right? That means I'm allowed to take the value of K till yes or no? हाँ या ना? So if I put K equal to 1, AN will be same as AM. If I take K equal to 2, I'll get AN equal to AM. So how many terms will I get same? 16 because there are 16 different possible values of K. Agreed? But see here it was pretty easier at the end. Why? First of it said that K should be smaller than 16 point something. Same says the second one. But if here I would have got K smaller than equal to 12 1 by 4, then I would have taken till 12 because I have to justify and satisfy both of them. So if I would have taken 13 14, the second one would have felt bad, right? So I need to take a common solution that satisfies both of them. In this case, it automatically came same, so I did not have to worry. But in case you are having different, one says smaller than 10, another says smaller than 15, I should take 10, the smaller than, yes. So therefore, I'll explain you one more thing. There are 16 identical terms, right? The sum is over, right? The sum ends here. Why is that so? If I take k equal to 1, what will I get n? N was 3k plus 1. So 3 into 1 plus 1, 4. And what will I get an? An was 4n minus 3. 4 4s are 16 minus 3, 13. Now, if I take k equal to 1, what will I get m? M was 4k plus 1, 5. And what will be am? Am was 3m minus 2, 15 minus 2, 13. So, the fourth term of the first sequence is same as the fifth term of the second sequence. Did you understand? So, now if I put k equal to 2, I'll get another terms. When I put k equal to 3, I'll get another 2 terms to be equal. So, in that way, I'll get 16. I don't need to do the later part. This is just for your understanding. This is for your understanding that why is that happening. So, now if I take from k equal to 1 to 16, it will make my an equal to am 16 times. Understood? Everybody online understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Now let us first talk about the formula for Sn, sum of the terms. Sum of, please note down, of n terms of an AP. Sum of n terms of an AP. So formula of, again, we have A to be the first term, D is the common difference. So Sn, we have n by 2 twice A plus n minus 1D. So here there are 4 terms A, N, D, Sn. Out of 4, 3 will be given, 4th we have to find. Or we can also use the formula n by 2 first term plus last term, A plus An. But in both the cases, we would need the number of terms. If you can notice, we'll also need A. The only thing we may or may not need is D and A. In the above formula, we would need D. In the later formula, we will need A. Question. Find the sum. First, 1, 3, 5, 7, up to 10 terms. Up to 10 terms. Here, A is A is
1.
1. Common difference 3 minus 1, 2. And number of terms is 10. Find the sum. Use the first formula, it's easier. Sn, n by 2, twice a plus n minus 1d. n by 2, 2 into 1, n minus 1, d is 2. Ten and 100. Answer is 100. Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Question 5, 8, 11, up to 20 terms. Here, A is 5. Common difference 8 minus 5, 3. Number of terms 20. So Sn, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So 10, 10 plus 57. Answer. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, note. Suppose I have the sequence A1, A2, A3, A4, and so on. I want S1. S1 is sum up to first term, which is same as A1. S2 will be A1 plus A2. S3 will be A1 plus A2 plus A3. So if I have the term, I can add them up and get the sum. Reverse, if I have the sum, we can subtract and get the terms. So A is same as S1. The first term is same as the first sum. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
The second term will be same as subtraction
Yes, 1 minus
S2 minus S1. S2 was A1 plus A2. S1 was A1. If I subtract them, then I'll get na A2. A3 will be A3 will be
S3 minus S2.
S3 minus S2. There's a pattern here. The term that you want, the sum of that minus the preceding one. So if I want A12, A12,
S12 minus S11.
if I want AN,
A
Yes,
minus
n minus
minus
Sn. Yes, n minus 1.
that's our formula. Yes. So if the question tells us, if the question like 5, Sn is n 3n square minus twice n, right? What I want is the 10th term. 10th term meaning I want A10, 10th term. That is A10. So what will be the formula of A10? What will be the formula of A10?
S10 minus S9.
S10 minus S9. So now from this, we need to find out S10. S10 will be 3 into 10 square minus 2 into 10. Instead of n, just put 10. S9, 3 into 9 square minus 2 into 9. 300 minus 20 minus 243 plus 80. Calculate. Answer.
$55.
55. All of you got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, question number 7. The sequence is -1, -5/6, -2/3, up to 10/3. What we want is number of terms here. Okay, find the number of terms. A here is -1. Common difference, -5/6 minus 1. 1/6. An is 10/3. So A plus n minus 1 into D, that is 10/3. Solve and get n. 13/3. N minus 1, 26. N will be 27. N is 27. So there are 27 terms in this particular sequence. Yes? I'll need answers. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Missed 6. If the third term of an AP is 12, that is A3 12, A plus 2D 12. The seventh term is 24. A plus 6D is 24. We can subtract the two equations. That's your call, Bhumi. 12. Subtract them. 4D equal 12. D will be 3. Put this value in any one of the equation. A plus 2 into 3 equals 12. So A will be 12 minus 6, 6. What they wanted is 10th term. So A10 will be A plus 9D. So 6 plus 9 into 3. Answer 33.
33.
Any doubt? Can you
No,
tell me
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
question? Seventh term is 30. 15th term is 98. Find S10. Answer. What is A? What is A? Online A. Minus 21. Common difference.
8.5.
Sorry. 17/2. And S10.
172.5.
345/2. Done.
Yes,
Question
ma'am.
number 8. If XYZ are in AP, right? So if XYZ are in AP, that means X is the first term. So we can use X as the first term A. We can use X as the first term A. Y is the second term. So I can write Y as X plus D, first term plus common difference. And I can write z as the third term, so it will become x plus 2d, where d is the common difference. Yes? There are many more ways to do this. You could have also used the difference. If they are in AP, then y minus x will be same as z minus y. The common difference would be same. You could also use that equation also. So now what we want to prove, LHS, x plus 2y minus z, x plus z minus y, z plus 2y minus x. Put the values here. X, 2y will be 2x, 2d. Z is minus x minus 2d. So z is x plus 2d, y, x and d. Z, x plus 2d, 2y, 2x plus 2d minus x. Multiply. 2d gets cancelled, so 2x, x plus d, 2x plus 4d. Taking 2 common in the third term. So this is 4, x, x plus d, x plus 2d. So 4x, this was y, and this was z, which is our RHS, which is RHS. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody done?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, number 9. If x, 2x plus 1 and 4x minus 1 are the first three terms, so the common difference will be same. 2x plus 1, subtraction 8, 4x minus 1, subtraction 2x plus 1. So this is x plus 1. This is 2x minus 2. 3 equal x. X is done. What is the fourth term? So what are my terms here? First term is x3. Common difference 2x plus 1 minus x. X plus 1. So common difference 4. So fourth term is a plus 3d. 3 plus 3 into 4, 15. The fourth term will be 15. Clear? Guys, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Number 10. The first term is 1. Last term, that is an, is 11. Sum of the term, that is Sn, is 36. We want to find the number of them. Since in the given we have an, so it is easier if I use the formula n by 2 a plus n by 2 a plus an. So n 36 into 2 by 12, n is 6. There are 6 terms. Does it match?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, question number 11 is basic sum of the term. They have A, D, and N. We just need to put it in Sn and have our answer. Yes? Question number
Yes.
12 is one of the most common question that we have. It's given that the sum of the first n term, that is Sn, is Pn plus Qn square. First, it shows that the sequence is an AP. How do we show that the given sequence is an AP? If the common difference is same. Common difference between what? The first term, second term, and the third term. So what we need to find is A1, A2, A3 using sum. So we need to first find S1, that will be P plus Q. S2, 2P2 square, 4Q. S3, N equal to 3, 3P plus 9Q. So automatically first term is same as S1, so P plus Q. Second term is S2 minus S1, so P plus 3Q. A3 is third S3 minus S2, so P plus 5Q. So I have the first three terms now. Now, in order to check whether it is an AP or not, what are we supposed to find? Common difference. So A2 minus A1, P plus 3Q minus P plus Q, PP gone 2Q. A3 minus A2, P plus 5Q minus P plus 3Q. Again 2Q. So the difference is same. Since A2 minus A1 is same as A3 minus A2, therefore it is an AP. And in this AP, can you tell me what is the first term? What is the first term? P plus Q. And what is the common difference?
2Q.
The difference? Twice Q.
Okay.
Done?
Yes,
Online,
yes,
is it
ma'am.
done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
13. Show that the sum of m plus nth term, that is a m plus n, and a m minus n will get us twice the mth term. So this will be a plus m plus n minus 1 into d. This will be a plus m minus n minus 1 into d. Adding them twice, say, taking d common. 2a, n gets cancelled. 2m minus 2. Taking 2 common. Again taking 2 common. A plus m minus 1d, which is what? am. So it looked like the 5-marker question, but it's a very small one instead. Did you all get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, question number 14 we have already done. Mth term is n. That was trick 1. Okay, so not repeating that. Can I remove this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
14, 15. Now, this is one of the one longer sum. If A, B, C are the pth, qth, and rth term, see, in general, in an AP, we use small a to be the first term. But here they've said that A is the pth term. So I can't use the same terminology, same notations. So we change the notations. Let the first term be capital A and common difference be capital D. Given the pth term is A is the pth term. So what is the formula of pth term? A plus P minus 1D. B is the qth term. So B will be A plus Q minus 1D. C is the rth term. So it will be A plus R minus 1D. Yes? Done? Now, what we want is to prove. In the first proof, number 1, if we look at the proof, I want B minus C value. So let us first find that so that our sum doesn't get clumsy. A plus Q minus 1D minus A plus R minus 1D. A gone. Taking D common. So Q minus R into D. So B minus C is this. So can I not similarly say C minus A will be C minus A will be B was qth term, C was rth term. So B minus C was Q minus R into D. What would be C minus A?
R minus P into D.
Very good. What would be A minus B?
P minus Q into D.
Now, let us put these values in LHS. Is it clear till here?
Yes, ma'am.
LHS. P into B minus C plus Q into C minus A plus R into A minus B. P Q minus RD plus Q R minus PD R P minus Q into D. Taking B common, PQ minus PR, QR minus PQ, PR minus QR D. That makes it 0, which is our RHS. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Done? Similarly, number 2, my LHS is A into Q minus R, B into R minus P, C into P minus Q. Let us put the values. Small a, that was A plus P minus 1 into D. B was A plus Q minus 1 into D. C, A plus R minus 1 into D. Now, very carefully, we'll open the bracket. When we'll open the bracket, A and Q minus R will be multiplied, and this will also be multiplied with Q minus R. Yes? So, every bracket will give me two terms. The first term for A, and the second term will be a multiplication term of D. So, if I open the first bracket, I'll get A into Q minus R, P minus 1, Q minus R, D. Is this understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Multiply the second one plus A into R minus P, Q minus 1, R minus P into D. Multiply the third term A P minus Q plus R minus 1 into P minus Q into D. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, in these three terms, take A common. Q minus R plus R minus P plus P minus Q. And in the other three, take D common. PQ, PR minus Q plus R. QR, PQ minus R plus P. PR, P minus QR plus Q. Everything gets cancelled. A into 0 plus D into 0. That is 0. That is RHS. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Done? Everyone? Online
Yes,
done?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Anyone has any doubt till here?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Next, let's continue. Question number 16. If the sum of n terms, that is Sn, 3n square plus 5n. So from this, get me the first term and common difference first. Get me the first term and common difference. Find the first term and common difference. A will be S1, 3 plus 5, 8. S2 will be 3 into 2 square plus 5 into 2. 4 3s are 12, 5 2s are 10, 22. So my second term will be S2 minus S1. 22 minus 8, that makes it 40. So my first term is 8. Yes. What would be my common difference?
Common difference will be 8. No, 6.
14 minus 8, 6. So I've got my D also. So I have A, I have D. Now the question says mth term is 164. Can I not use A and D to find out M here? What would be AM? A plus M minus 1D. 8 plus M minus 1 into 6. 156. M is 27. Yes? Done?
Yes, ma'am.
17. A man starts repaying a loan as first installment of 100. So sequence of installments. First one, 100. He increases the installment by rupees 5 every month. So what would the second installment be?
105.
105.
5.
Then the third will be 110 and so on.
110.
So it is an AP where the first term is 100 and the common difference is 5. You could have directly written, since it is increasing by 5, D is 5. If it would have been decreasing by 5, D would have been minus 5. What we want is what amount he will pay in the 30th installment. They are only talking about that particular installment. So what do I need to find?
A and
A30. So A plus 29D. 100 plus 29 into 5. 145 plus 100, 245. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
18. How many terms of the AP? AP is 17, 15, 30. Must be taken so that the sum is 72. The sum is 72. Here, what is the first term? 17. The common difference,
-2.
let's use them to find out n. Find out n. N by 2 twice A plus n minus 1 into D. 17 minus n plus 1 is 72. 18 minus n. Multiply. 18n minus n square is 72. 0. N square minus 18n plus 72 is 0. 12 and 6. N minus 12, n minus 6. So n is 12 or n equal to 6. So either the sum of first 12 terms is 72 or the sum of first 6 terms is 72. Why is that the case in general, I'm asking? Sum of first 6 terms is 72, fine. But the sequence is decreasing now, right? So it will happen like till the 6th term, I think we have positive term. Then it keeps on decreasing. I have certain level of positive term. And so it will increase my sum more than 72. And then the later terms are all negative. So automatically the sum that got increased will again get subtracted and make it again 72 at some point of time. That's why we are having two different answers here. Right? Only because the sequence was decreasing. Otherwise, we'll never have two answers. Understood? Hello, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Done? 90. 90. In an AP, the 12th term is minus 13. So A12 is minus 13. A plus 11D is minus 30. The sum of first four term S14. Sorry, first four. S4 is 24. 4 by 2. 2A plus 3D. 2 2s. 2A plus 3D is 12. Any method, elimination, substitution, just get me A and D from here. So first equation gets multiplied by 2. 2A plus 22D minus 26. Second remains the same. 2A plus 3D is 12. I'm subtracting them. 19D is minus 38. So D will be minus 2. We can put this value in any equation. A plus 11D is minus 13. A minus 22 is minus 13. So A will be 9. What is the sum of first 10 term? S10, n by 2, 2A plus 9D, 5, 18 minus 18. Answer is 0. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you got the answer? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Give
ma'am.
the rest of the sums of the exercise a try. We'll discuss it in our next class. Thank you.